So I'm back with another Wigpop collection wig. This is a synthetic full wig by Outre and she is called Afrobella. I have her in the color number 2 and the name speaks for itself. It's an afro, alright? And from the moment I saw it, I just remembered the Freetress equal Afro medium, Afro large. These are very popular. They sell out a lot. It has been out for a long time, but they always tend to sell out and then, you know, they come back in stock and then they sell out again, because I guess a lot of people really like that afro wig because it looks really nice, really natural. This one I would say could not replace, but it could come in as a backup. Okay, it could come in as a backup to the Freetress equal. So if you do want to purchase one of the Freetress equal Afro large, Afro medium, and you don't see it in stock, I would say this can be definitely like a little backup. Now the quality is not the same. Okay, the quality on this one, I mean, you get a good bit of shedding. Okay, well, it doesn't really fall out, to be honest, when you like fluff it out and stuff like that, because I did use my Afro pick and I fluffed it out. When you fluff it out, it wouldn't, like, hair wouldn't just fall out, but you would see like little pieces that needs to come out, and you can just trim it out and stuff like that, or you can pull it out, really up to you. I would suggest trimming it, because once you start pulling it, sometimes you pull on the hair and then you get like a little straight piece, and you don't want that. Okay, it's an afro look, so that's what you're trying to keep, the natural, you know, afro look. So yeah, just trim the ends, and like I said, the quality of the hair, you can even feel it. I mean, it's very soft, but once you feel it, you can tell like it's not the same as the Freetress equal, which is okay. Like I said, this can definitely be a backup for the Freetress equal afro wig, and I'm sorry to keep mentioning Freetress equal, and this is not, you know, this is Outre, but at the same time I'm just letting you guys know, because, you know, the Freetress equal Afro large is so popular. But anyway, it comes in a lot of other colors. It comes in 1B number 2, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 special colors. So you do get a salt and pepper color if you want. The salt and pepper color is the HT 280/44, and then you get a cinnamon wine, chocolate swirl, and caramel. So you get blonde, brown, burgundy, and gray. And then you have your natural colors. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think about this. Let me show you the stock card. It looks really nice on the model. The black looks really nice. The blonde looks pretty good as well. But let me know what you guys think. It's a regular little afro. I know you guys jazz up the afro by adding probably a little rose to it or something like that. You can definitely, you know, accessorize the hair if you want to, but for the purposes of this video, I just wore it as is. I just fluffed it out and that was it. In terms of the cap, you get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps. It's a regular cap construction, but down the middle at the back you do have a stretchable mesh net kind of material down there. So I would say it's about medium to large in cap size. It feels really comfortable, no issues there. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off my head or anything. It's very lightweight and very comfortable. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you do want to purchase this wig, the link would be in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next review. Bye.